Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up an ActiveCampaign account. ActiveCampaign is a powerful email marketing and automation platform, and getting your account configured properly from the start will help you manage your contacts and campaigns more effectively. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a field where you can insert your email address to sign up. ActiveCampaign offers a free 14-day trial so you can explore the platform without any commitment. Go ahead and enter your email address to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information. Insert your full name and phone number in the fields provided. This information helps ActiveCampaign personalize your experience and provide support if needed. After filling in these details, click Continue to move forward. Now, ActiveCampaign wants to understand your background a bit better. You'll be asked whether you have experience using automation tools and which option best describes your work. Choose the answers that fit your situation, then click Continue once you're done. This helps the platform tailor its features and tutorials to your skill level. On the next screen, you'll answer whether you're currently using another email or marketing platform and which marketing channel you're most interested in. These questions help ActiveCampaign customize your dashboard and suggest relevant features. Once you've made your selections, click Continue to proceed. The next step is to personalize your account further. You'll be asked to select how many contacts you have, how big your company is, and what industry you're in. These details help ActiveCampaign provide you with the most relevant tools and automation templates. After filling in this information, click Continue. At this point, a verification code will be sent to your email address. This is an important security step to confirm that you own the email account you're signing up with. Open your email inbox and locate the verification email from ActiveCampaign. It should arrive within a few moments, but if you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Once you find the email, click the Verify Email button inside. This action confirms your email address and automatically redirects you back to the ActiveCampaign platform. You're making great progress now. Next, you'll be prompted to set a password for your account. Choose a strong, secure password that you'll remember, then click Continue. A strong password helps protect your account and all the contact data you'll be managing. After setting your password, ActiveCampaign may offer you the option to set up two-factor authentication for added security. This is an optional step, but it's highly recommended if you're handling sensitive contact information or running important marketing campaigns. If you choose to enable it, follow the prompts to complete the setup, then click Continue. Finally, you'll see the ActiveCampaign dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. From here, you can start importing contacts, creating lists, or exploring the automation features that make ActiveCampaign so powerful. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and explore the different sections available to you. And that's it. Your ActiveCampaign account is now fully set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.